Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Easily adjust your windshield washer jets for spotless visibility. Are you tired of dealing with a windshield that doesn't spray washer fluid where you need it most? Adjusting your windshield washer jets can be a simple solution to this common problem. Knowing how to properly adjust these jets can make a significant difference in your driving visibility, especially during inclement weather. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of adjusting your windshield washer jets. We will cover why it's important when to do it, and how to do it correctly to ensure optimal performance. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to tackle this task yourself, saving time and potentially costly trips to the mechanic. Stay tuned as we look into the specifics of windshield washer jet adjustment, providing you with valuable insights and practical tips to keep your windshield clean and your visibility clear on the road ahead. Let's get started on maximizing your driving experience with a simple, yet essential maintenance task. Understanding windshield washer jets. Windshield washer jets are small nozzles located on the hood of a car that sprays windshield washer fluid onto the windshield. They play a crucial role in maintaining visibility while driving, especially in adverse weather conditions like rain, snow, or mud splashes. By providing a steady stream of washer fluid, these jets help to clean the windshield and remove dirt, grime, and other obstructions that can hinder a driver's view of the road. What are windshield washer jets? Windshield washer jets are essential components of a vehicle's cleaning system. When activated, they release washer fluid under pressure, creating a mist or spray that covers the windshield. This helps to dislodge and remove dirt, bugs, and other debris that may accumulate on the glass while driving. Properly functioning washer jets ensure that the windshield remains clear, allowing the driver to see clearly and operate the vehicle safely. Common reasons for adjusting washer jets. Adjusting washer jets may become necessary under various circumstances. One common reason is an incorrect spray pattern, where the washer fluid does not cover the entire windshield or sprays in the wrong direction. This misalignment can result in ineffective cleaning and obstructed visibility. Another frequent issue is clogged nozzles, which can block the flow of washer fluid and prevent it from reaching the windshield. Adjusting the jets to rectify these problems can help maintain optimal windshield visibility and ensure safe driving conditions. Tools and materials needed. To adjust windshield washer jets effectively, you'll need the right tools and materials readily available. Let's break down what you'll need below. List of tools. Screwdrivers, essential for accessing and adjusting the nozzles. Needle, useful for unclogging any debris blocking the washer jets. Cleaning solution, a mild cleaner to ensure clear passage for washer fluid. Materials required. In addition to the tools mentioned, you'll need the following materials on hand. Distilled water, ideal for preventing mineral buildup and producing streak-free visibility. Washer fluid, ensures your windshield is clean and clear while driving. Small pin, perfect for delicately cleaning out any blockages in the nozzles. Having these tools and materials within reach will make the windshield washer jet adjustment process smooth and efficient. Step-by-step guide to adjusting windshield washer jets. After locating the washer jets, which are typically situated near the hood or windshield of your vehicle, it's essential to test the current spray pattern before making any adjustments. Here's how you can proceed. Locating the washer jets. Most cars have washer jets positioned either near the windshield wipers or on the hood itself. They are small nozzles that spray washer fluid onto the windshield to help with visibility while driving. Identifying these jets is the first step towards adjusting them to ensure optimal performance. Testing the current spray pattern. To test the current spray pattern, activate your windshield washer system as you would when cleaning your windshield. Observe how the washer fluid is being sprayed onto the glass. Check for any irregular patterns, weak sprays, or areas that are not covered adequately. This assessment will help you determine if adjustments are necessary. Adjusting the washer jets. If the current spray pattern is not satisfactory, it's time to adjust the washer jets. Begin by using a pin to clear any clogs that may be obstructing the flow of washer fluid. Gently insert the pin into the nozzle to dislodge any debris that could be affecting the spray pattern. Next, consider altering the direction of the nozzles to achieve the desired spray pattern. This can usually be done by using a small tool to adjust the angle of the nozzles slightly. Experiment with different positions until you find the optimal configuration that provides effective coverage of the windshield. By following these steps to adjust your windshield washer jets, you can ensure clear visibility while driving, especially during inclement weather conditions. Regular maintenance and adjustment of the washer jets will help maximize their efficiency and keep your windshield clean for a safer driving experience. Tips for proper maintenance. Taking care of your windshield washer jets is essential to ensure they work effectively when you need them the most. Proper maintenance not only keeps your windshield clean but also prevents potential issues. Here are some tips to help you maintain your washer jets for optimal performance. Regular cleaning of washer jets. Regularly cleaning your washer jets is crucial to prevent clogs and maintain their efficiency. Over time, dirt, debris, and grime can accumulate in the nozzles, leading to blockages that affect the spray pattern. To clean the washer jets, use a small pin or needle to unclog any debris obstructing the nozzles. You can also use a mixture of water and vinegar to clean the nozzles thoroughly. Make it a habit to check and clean your washer jets periodically to ensure they function correctly. Using the right washer fluid. Choosing the correct washer fluid is equally important as regular cleaning. Using the wrong type of washer fluid can lead to clogs, pump failure, and ultimately affect the performance of your washer jets. Make sure to use a washer fluid that is specifically designed for vehicles, as household cleaners or plain water can cause damage to the system. Opt for a high-quality washer fluid that is suitable for various weather conditions to ensure smooth operation and clear visibility. By following these maintenance tips, you can prolong the life of your windshield washer jets and ensure they function effectively when you need them. Taking care of these small components can make a big difference in your overall driving experience and safety on the road. Final thoughts. After following the steps to adjust your windshield washer jets, you should notice a significant improvement in the functionality of your vehicle's windshield washer system. By taking the time to properly realign the jets and ensure they are spraying correctly, you can enhance visibility while driving in various weather conditions. Regular maintenance is key. Remember that regular maintenance of your windshield washer system is essential to ensure it continues to operate effectively. Check the washer fluid levels routinely and inspect the washer jets for any blockages or misalignments. A well-maintained system can prevent visibility issues and contribute to safer driving experiences. Seek professional help when needed. If you encounter persistent issues with your windshield washer jets or if you are unsure about adjusting them yourself, do not hesitate to seek assistance from a professional mechanic. They have the expertise and tools to diagnose and resolve any complex problems with your vehicle's washer system. Enjoy clear visibility on the road. By understanding how to adjust your windshield washer jets and taking proactive steps to maintain them, you can enjoy clear visibility on the road, enhancing your overall driving experience. Safe driving practices and well-functioning vehicle systems go hand in hand to ensure a smooth and secure journey every time you hit the road. Adjusting your windshield washer jets is a simple task that can make a big difference in your driving visibility. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your washer jets are properly aligned to provide optimal coverage on your windshield. Remember to test the spray pattern after making adjustments to guarantee efficiency. Regular maintenance of your washer jets will contribute to a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Stay proactive in keeping your vehicle in top condition by checking and adjusting your windshield washer jets as needed. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.